On Arabic NLP application, and this is the episode number 10 of our Arabic NLP series. And today we are going to explore how NLP technologies are applied to tackle diverse challenges in various domains. So, ranging from machine translation to sentiment analysis, let's begin with one of the earliest uh, and most popular NLP application, which is machine translation. And machine translation or MT task is among, as I said, the earliest and most significant NLP application. And the goal is to translate uh, source language like English to a target language like Arabic. And traditionally, all was like rule-based. But now we see a strong shift towards corpus-based and deep learning models, and uh, resources like here, uh, like provide large parallel collections. Dialectical MT for Arabic is still facing challenges due to limited resources. And let me introduce for you one of the transformer-based Arabic machine translation model, which is called Tarjuman. And this model has the ability to translate from different languages into Arabic. What we are doing is to use like these powerful models that are specifically trained on Arabic corpus to enhance the challenges related to machine translation, like dialectical machine translation. So here we attempt to take some dialects from Arabic, like Egyptian, Jordanian, and a lot of other dialects, and try to apply or fine-tune a sequence-to-sequence transformer model like this one to be able to translate into MSA. We released some of these applications, for example, this one called Balir, which is has the ability to translate from dialect to MSA. Although it is not that powerful, but this attempt was open source to the community to start working and developing in order to overcome these challenges. Another application we have here is how we are going to build tools that support language learning. And like what we have computer assisted language learning systems, these systems aim to improve skills such as reading, writing, listening, and speaking. So readability assessment is another key task. Okay. And helping measure the difficulty of Arabic text for both native and non-native learners. Okay, so resource building efforts are vital to support these applications. So especially in providing like Arabic Corpora for students and researchers alike. Okay, with increasing volumes of Arabic content, we have two main applications that today we are considering building AI agents, and we are moving towards generative AI and maybe general artificial intelligence, and all that are came from some basics, which is these systems that we see now, all chatbots that based on large language models, or all these applications that are based on AI agents are coming from information retrieval and question answering concepts. Uh, One of the main things that we are working with the Arabic NLP is information retrieval, which has become like a crucial for searching like digital archives, news, web content, even with our data. If we want to use a local information retrieval on our data sets, we need to question answer these data sets. We are building what we call it like RAG, retrieval augmented generation, right? So these models or information retrieval, the main concepts like work well for formal text. And we have the gaps with informal content. Okay, that's why now we have reached to this era of LLMs and RAG, and we are discovering many of the algorithms and methods to improve the information retrieval. This is the same goes when we are discussing question answering. And I should mention that RAG, which is based on this simple architecture where I am asking a query, I have a query, I am asking the RAG to retrieve some information about my query and giving it to LLM in order to respond using this information. And the bottleneck here is this embedding model, because my query and all the data that I have will be converted to embeddings and stored in that vector store where the RAG or the LM try to invoke and get relative documents in order to answer. And one of the main challenges that embedding models, and most of the models now is depends on some embeddings that are costly. Yeah, it's efficient, I mean, for Arabic, but it is costly. So, do we have any powerful embedding, open source embedding models for Arabic? And this is what I am personally work on is to improve the embedding models for Arabic based on our baselines, because we have like popular like Arabert, Arbert, Marbert, Electra, and many of the embedding models that I have used and fine-tuned on a concept called Matrushka embedding models in order to enhance the understanding of the semantics of different sentences in order to improve the embeddings. And yes, actually, it is like outperforms the baselines, and it is like in the first ranks in a popular benchmark or reader board called MTEB. So this is one of the attempts that we are trying to push the boundaries towards Arabic NLP with open source embeddings models that are that can enhance our agents and applications. When it comes to dialogue systems, we are discussing different applications, but in the main framework or main concepts. And these systems are gaining like uh, a lot of attraction, and people are interested to work with that. Uh, Yeah, let's say we have like commercial offering for Arabic, but it's still limited. We have like Siri and other, well, but it is like limited capabilities. Now with large language models, of course, before I talk about like LIMS, we have like chatbots, okay, that have been developed. Integration with some AI and rule-based, but LLMs now opened a door for these systems and for almost all the NLP applications, because it's trained on that huge corpus, it has some reasoning and understanding capabilities in order to do so. And we have seen many of the LMs like ChatGPT, Jace, Llama, Gemini, Alam, SGPT, which are they supposed to support Arabic, and some of them, yeah, it's perform really good in Arabic. And we have some open source models that we try to develop in our lab, like Arabian GPT with different variations and sizes, just to try to reach to some systems or LLMs that can be used for these different NLP applications. We have sentiment analysis, and this is one of the popular, and most people like to deal with sentiment analysis because it is not that hard job, okay? And it is at the same time it is a powerful tool for public opinion, let's say. So especially with the rise of social media, so Arabic sentiment analysis efforts are advancing with resources like sentiment lexons and emotion detection systems. So targeting diverse emotions, deep learning transformer models are available, for example, on Hugging Face with different data sets, spaces, and also models that we can also fine tune and try to do like classification. But we are not using like traditional machine learning and deep learning method. No, we are depending on these pre-trained models. Even for content moderation on social media, which is essential to inform community guidelines. So in Arabic, the task is challenging due to the diversity of dialects. So creative spelling, And also we have the lack of sufficient resources. So active research is being done on hate speech, adult content, spam detection, and there is still a long way to go to develop more effective solution. So yeah, this is in short all the ideas about Arabic NLP applications and the concept, how we start developing it, and how long do we reach to by using LLMs and advanced NLP applications. So with the growth of resource and the adoption of deep learning models and transformer-based models, there is like a big potential to advance Arabic NLP to reach new heights. Thank you everyone for watching, and I hope that's useful for you.